This tutorial is to walk you through Quizlet, so you'll know how to use it. This will just be a quick walkthrough. So Quizlet is found at www.quizlet.com, or you can just type quizlet.com. At the top, you'll find three ways to log in with Facebook, sign up, or log in. I'm going to click log in with Facebook. If you need to sign up and create an account, you go ahead and do that. So when I click login with Facebook, it's going to automatically log me in because it knows who I am. But you would have to enter in the email address that you use for Facebook, and then you'll get to this exact same page. So I'm going to walk you through creating some cards. This is your dashboard. So this is just where you'll find the cards that you've created. For instance, this is a set of cards that I have. But I'm going to create a set, which is this third link. So create a set. You're going to title them. This is going to be Ed Tech Flashcards, and I'm just going to say for practice with educational technology. Now I'm going to delete these later because of course this isn't really going to be something I use. Then I'm going to type subject is going to be Ed Tech. It's visible to everyone, and I'm the only one that can edit it. Now you can change those. You can set up classes where you're the only one. You can group them so only people in classes can use them or view them, or you can have whole classes where they can edit them together and collaborate to create their own flashcards. So that's kind of a nice addition. You can also add images and import information. We're not going to do any of that. You do need to choose a language, so I'm going to click on English below that for both. And now at this point, I'm going to click number 1. This is going to be my concept. So let's say I'm talking about TPAC. So I want to talk about some of the different types of knowledge that people have. So I'm going to put PK, and the description of PK would be pedagogical knowledge, and CK, which would be your content knowledge. And I would go on and do this and create as many flashcards as I would want to use or have my students use. You can delete them over here or remove move the order here. But when you're done, what you're going to do is scroll down and you'll just click Create Set. When you create set, here are your flashcards. Now you'll see that there's this little link, little checkbox that says both sides. You don't really want both sides if you're using it flashcards, so uncheck that. So if I say pedagogical knowledge, I know that's the portion on the TPAC graph, that's PK. So if I click that, it would say PK. And I could go to the next card by using the arrow on the right. So you've created the card. Now what do you do? Of course, if you have a Facebook page for your class, you could just post it to your Facebook page, but probably you're going to post it on a website somewhere. So over on the left it says share this link. I'm going to go to link or embed. This will give you the URL for this specific set of flashcards, or if you can embed this, use one of the embed options, and of course you would probably use the flashcard embed code, which starts with iframe. It will end with iframe as well. And those are the ways that you can use Quizlet. It's quick, it's easy, and it's something that some people like to use to enhance learning a little bit after you've taught the information.